welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Today we're going to be messing around with some double dip powder that I got, and it's really cool because you can actually do it as acrylic and dip, so I'm excited to try that out in the future. I am using a 565, and in the kit I got a base coat, top coat, activator, and a cuticle oil. I started off with the base coat, a nice even thin layer, and I dipped my finger inside the powder, and it's such a pretty color. It's like a purple lavender color, but I'm just so obsessed. Purple is my favorite color. Then with a stick, I'm just getting around my cuticles. I definitely didn't want the gumminess to be on my cuticles because it's kind of hard to get out. And I just continued that same process. Now, I didn't use the top coat for this look in particular. I just went in with a regular gel top coat, so in that sense, you do need a UV light. But if you're not using a gel top coat, you just need the top coat and no UV light. So it's pretty cool. I'm really excited to try this out. I know, as you may see, that I have clear tips on, but they're actually not clear tips. So I saw a lot of other people that were doing dip, and they had like builder gel as their base, and I didn't have any builder gels, so I figured I would just do my nails with polygel. So I ended up getting some paper forms, and I built my nail to make it nice almond shape, and this is gonna be the base of my nail. Dip was really easy to use, and I'm excited that it doesn't take as long as polygel. And there's also so many different colors. Like, I didn't realize how many different colors dip actually has, especially this brand Double Dip. So I'm excited to test some more out because the consistency is really good. The product doesn't smell too bad. I know that sometimes it literally smells like nail glue, but it wasn't that bad, so that was a pro. But I think it was very easy, especially to file. It wasn't that bad. I put 2 coats of the dip powder, and in between I put base coat. After I was done, I just dusted everything off and I put activator. And I noticed that when you put the activator on, it gets soft first and then hard. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And I put a couple of layers of this activator because I didn't know if it was going to seep all the way through with one layer. So I think I put like a good 2 or 3 layers. But then after you put that activator on, you just want to let it rest until it gets rock solid. Once it gets rock solid, then you start filing it and buffing down. Trust me, I made the mistake once where it wasn't dry completely and I was filing off like chunks at a time. So just make sure that the activator is in place and fully active before you start filing. after I filed, shaped, and buffed, I wanted to go in with my butterfly decals, and I actually went in with 2 different colors. I didn't show the second color, but I ended up going with 2 different wings, which I thought was really cute. So these decals, you just need to soak them in water for like probably a minute or so, and the decal picture actually just like comes right off. Like it's pretty cool. I went ahead and placed both of my butterflies so it would actually look like a butterfly between the 2 different fingers. I thought it was so cute and it was so elegant, so I just did it like that, and I just tapped everything down to make sure there's no water, because I noticed that water would get like trapped underneath the decal, which was interesting. But after I did that, I went in with the gel top coat instead of just the regular top coat that the kit comes with, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. After I cured everything for 60 seconds and I also cured in my cute little gem, I went in with my cuticle oil that smells so good, and I just wiped it all over my cuticles because they were in desperate need. But that was it. It was a pretty quick video and I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe, and nos vemos en la próxima.